Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, welcome to the course Introduction to Cellular Network. Today we will cover why we need GPRS in GSM. What is GPRS? Goal of GPRS, GPRS architecture and GPRS mode. But first we will see why we need GPRS. First we have analog system, then GSM network. As you know, GSM is the digital system and we can send voice data with 13 kilobits per second speed. But as the other system evolved like internet or wireless LAN, it is needed that why not we try to increase data rate on cellular system as well. Let's say we have to run multimedia application or to achieve different data services on GSM. To achieve this goal, GSM system was enhanced, and this enhancement is in the form of GPRS, also known as General Packet Radio Service. GPRS allows you to connect some of the other packet data network, and you can send data from cellular system to another packet data network, and you can receive the data from packet data network to your cellular network as well. That is the enhancement that is done in the form of GPRS in GSM. The main purpose of GPRS that we want to support of data communication network to GSM network. But with this, some other objective of GPRS are that we want to efficiently use bandwidth and accommodate busted traffic on given resources. Other objective is to increase the data rate. So data rate is increased from 13 kilobits per second to 170 kilobits per second. As in GPRS, as in GSM network, we charge voice data with respect to the time, but in GPRS data rate is charged with respect to size, mean in bits. So billing charges are modified so that we accommodate data. GPRS initially specified by the ETSI as GSM also. After that, lot of releases of GPRS are in market like ARC97, R98, etc. Then GPRS specification is handed over to the 3GPP Association. Now 3GPP Association is responsible for specifying GPRS. The most recent version of GPRS is release 5/6. Two modes are defined in GPRS release 5/6. One is 2G core and second is 3G core. One mode is for 2G and interface that is defined is basically A interface or GB interface. A interface between BSC and MSC, whereas GB interface is between BSC and GSM, GPRS supported node. To provide interface with GPRS and UMTS, new interface that is given in is LU interface, and this interface is specified in release 5/6. You can see in this figure between BSC and core network there are three interfaces. One is A interface, other is GB interface, and the last is LU interface. A interface is for MSC, GB interface is for GPRS node, and LU interface is for third generation network like UMTS. Now the actual interface of GPRS is in the figure. You can see mobile station is connected with base transceiver system and multiple BTS connected with the BSC. Now the change in the GPRS architecture, instead of connected with MSC, BSC is connected with SGSN through GB interface. SGSN means Service GPRS supported node. SGSN node serves the local mobile station, then another node is GGSN, Gateway GPRS supporting node. The interface between GGSN and SGSN is GN interface. GN interface is the IP based core network. Through this interface we can use IP core network. HLR is connected with GGSN through GC interface, so all the remaining nodes are same instead of two nodes, GGSN and SGSN, which can connect it to different other network through packet data protocol, also known as PDP. Through PDP, we can connect GGSN with any data network, and the backbone of these networks are basically IP network. So this is GPRS architecture. Now we will see two modes of GPRS. First is A/GB. There are three classes in A/GB node. One is class A, other is class B, and last is class C. In class A, mobile station is simultaneously operate in both packet switching and circuit switching. Mean at the same time it can do data communication and can do also voice communication. In class B, mobile station only operate in either circuit switching or packet switching at a time. This class is most common for the today handset. In class C, mobile network only operate in packet switching network. In this class, we can only do internet browsing. Example of this class is the expansion card for laptop. By using expansion card in laptop, we can use internet through GSM. Second mode is the LU mode, which we use to make interface of 3G core network with GPRS. LU mode also has three classes. First class is CS/PS mode. CS means circuit switching and PS means packet switching. It's the same as class A in A/GB mode, means MS can operate in both circuit switching and packet switching network at the same time. Second class is PS mode, mean MS can operate only in packet switch mode. Third class is CS mode, mean MS can operate only in circuit switching mode. We need packet switching mode only when we have to do internet browsing, whereas circuit switching mode is used only for simple voice conversation. In this way, we operate of device according to user requirement. That is for the topic. Take care and Allah Hafiz.